Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files to REAPER with sync and routing, full guide step by step clearly. Open REAPER and create a new project. Ensure your audio interface is selected in the audio preferences. Set the project tempo and time signature according to your needs. To begin transferring files, navigate to the Media Explorer section. Import your audio files by dragging them from your file browser into the REAPER project window. If you're working with MIDI files, you can also drag those into the project. To ensure everything syncs properly, set the project start time to match the source file. For accurate timing, check the sample rate settings in REAPER match those of your audio files. Next, create a new track for each file you imported. Route the audio correctly by clicking on the I/O button on each track. In the I/O section, set the output to your main stereo bus. If you're using external instruments, ensure the input is set to the corresponding audio channels. For MIDI tracks, set the output to the desired MIDI device. Now, adjust the levels on each track to ensure they blend well together. To enable syncing, go to the transport bar and enable the metronome for a visual cue. You can also set up a click track by using a dedicated metronome track. If you're collaborating with others, ensure you send the REAPER project file along with all audio assets. Finally, save your project file to ensure all changes are recorded. With everything set up, you can now start your recording or editing process with all files properly transferred and routed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.